Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our second online chemistry class. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the subtopic 4.2 about the natural rubber. Okay, before we go, okay, I hope all of you are very well and enjoy the learning at home. Okay, natural rubber. Okay, last week we have learned about the polymer. So one of the subtopic in the topic of polymers is the natural rubber. Okay, natural rubber ataupun kita panggil getah. Okay, today our learning standard. Okay, we have 4 learning standard here. Okay, number 1, okay, you should be able to explain the natural rubber in terms of name, or you can state the name of natural rubber. Okay, and then you can mention the structural formula and its properties. Okay, the second one is the experiment on latex coagulation. Okay, but for today, I will explain about the latex coagulation at the last of the subtopic. Okay, because I will explain about the vulcanization process. Okay, first before we go to the latex coagulation. Okay, so that's the second learning standard. And then number 3 is explain vulcanization. Okay, and then number 4, study the elasticity of vulcanized rubber and unvulcanized rubber through experiment. Okay, latex. Latex is a colloid and not a solution. Okay, colloid ini adalah bukan larutan. Colloid adalah namanya colloid. Okay, apa beza colloid dengan solution? Colloid is a particles that do not dissolve in water but disperse separately in water. Okay, so the rubber particle cannot dissolve in water but will separately disperse in water. Okay, latex is a white fluid obtained from rubber trees when the tree bark is tapped. Natural rubber that is found in latex is a natural polymer known as polyisoprene. Okay, I repeat, the natural rubber that found in latex is a natural polymer known as polyisoprene. So here, polyisoprene is the name of the polymer, okay, the natural polymer for the latex. Okay, here the structural formula of latex or natural rubber, polyisoprene. Polyisoprene here, okay, is the polymer, and its monomer or structural formula of rubber monomer is isoprene. As you can see in this slide, okay, we have the negative charge, the red one here, okay, and then we have the circle here. The name of circle is the protein membrane. Okay, in the circle here we have the rubber particles. Okay, rubber particles that cross section. Okay, so kita ada jalur-jalur yang sentiasa melintang di dalam membran protein tersebut. Okay, monomer for polyisoprene is isoprene, or with the name with IUPAC name is 2-methyl-but-1,3-diene. Okay, why the name is 2-methyl-but-1,3-diene? Okay, we will learn in the topic carbon compound. Okay, so as your first information, 2-methyl-but-1,3-diene is, okay, this is the first carbon, okay, second carbon, okay, third and fourth. Okay, at the second carbon we have the methyl, so the name is 2-methyl. But, okay, BUT, but, okay, it stands for we have C carbon atom, 1,3-diene. That means at carbon number 1, at the first carbon and the third carbon, we have double bond here and double bond here. 1,3-diene. That means in this compound, in this structural formula, we have two double bond between atom carbon. Okay, the protein membrane of rubber particle is negatively charged on the outer space. This causes the rubber particle to repel each other, preventing coagulation. Okay, because of all the membrane protein is negatively charged, so that the rubber particle akan prevent daripada coagulation. Actually, the coagulation is mean of penggumpalan. Okay, bila dia bercas negatif, so penggumpalan itu akan terhalang. So, bagaimana caranya untuk memastikan getah itu, koloid getah itu menggumpal? Ada caranya. Okay, so dalam siapa yang biasa menoreh getah ataupun yang biasa dengan getah, so biasanya kita akan letakkan cuka getah. So that means cuka is the one of the weak acid. So, one additive yang akan membantu coagulation adalah cuka getah ataupun weak acid. Okay, let's continue. Okay, this is about the characteristic of natural rubber. The characteristic of natural rubber depends on rubber polymers that are natural elastomeric polymers. Okay, as we had learned before, the polymer, we have three types of polymer: thermosetting polymer, elastometric polymer, and then the last one is the what is thermo. Okay, what else lah? Okay, the presence of double bond between carbon atom in the rubber polymer structure affect the resistance of natural rubber towards oxidation by air. So di sini dia kata because of kita punya isomer ataupun monomer ataupun polymer contain the double bond, okay, ianya akan menyebabkan natural rubber senang teroksida kepada udara. Okay, maksudnya di sini when we have the fresh latex, it is white. So bila kita biarkan let it in by 3 days, okay, bila kita biarkan dia selama 3 atau beberapa hari, so the white latex tadi akan bertukar warna menjadi hitam ataupun brown. Okay, so that's show about the oxidation of latex by air. Okay, it is occur. Okay, that's time the oxidation, that's time the latex tadi dah akan coagulate lah, dah membeku, dah menggumpal. Okay. Okay, next, the characteristic of natural rubber are shown in figure 4.3. Okay, nanti kita akan tengok. Okay, table 4.3 about the characteristic of natural rubber. Okay, which is it is soft, elastic. Okay, natural rubber can be stretched and can return to its original shape when released. Okay, low heat resistant. Okay, it is meaning of it will melt. Okay, will melt. Okay, when give heat. Okay, electrical insulator, easily oxidized. Okay, oxygen in the air can react with the double bond between carbons and cause natural rubber to be oxidized. Okay, reactive to chemicals. Okay, react easily with acid, alkalis, and organic solvent. And last, it is waterproof. The natural rubber is water impermeable. Okay, so that's the characteristic of natural rubber. Okay, for your info, Malaysia is a one country that a top rubber producer in the world because of our suitable in the climate. Okay, kesesuaian iklim dunia yang menyebabkan the rubber tree ini sesuai ditanam. Okay, so the Malaysia is known as the top rubber producer. Okay, next. Okay, rubber, okay, can be used to manufacture various products. Okay, as we can see in the figure 4.7. Okay, is it number one is the tire vehicles. Okay, the boots, the rubber band, glove, and the tapak kasut. Okay, so various product can be manufactured using natural rubber. The limitation found in the natural rubber can be overcome by adding certain additives to obtain the desired characteristic. Because of the natural rubber has the characteristic that is soft, okay, less heat, tidak kekal pada tahan haba, tidak tahan haba. Okay, that's why kita perlukan certain additive to obtain the desired characteristic. Okay, so now, okay, I will